Hey loves, so today we are going to try out some new products. I asked you guys on Instagram what palette you guys wanted me to use next, and this one won over the Venus XL. I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use. This is not quite a first impression. I have worn it once or twice, but I haven't used every single shade, and I don't know. It'll just be fun to play with, but for the most part, most things are going to be a first impression. Otherwise, I don't know. We'll just play with some fun stuff. We're just going to do a spring makeup look. All right, so if you want to see the look that you just saw in the beginning, you're in the right place. Just keep watching. We are going to get into the tutorial now. Before I do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's do this. Okay, so I've already primed because I am trying a new foundation. I didn't really have a new primer anyway, and I'm such a stickler when it comes to my primers because I have found ones that just work so good. It Cosmetics sent me a package and I was so excited. So we are going to try out this foundation today. I tried it on the back of my hand and it looks beautiful. I went with what look like the lightest shade in the package, which is Light Ivory 100. So we will see if this works. I also got a surprise package from Juno & Co., which is crazy. So I have the little, they sent me 2 of their little microfiber sponges. So I'm super excited to try this. I also ordered the dupe from Shop Massé, so let me know down below if you guys want me to do a whole video comparing them. This guy's already super affordable too, though. It's like $5 or $6, I think. Maybe 7, I don't know, somewhere in there. I probably should read the instructions on that sponge. I don't think it's any different. No rules! I like that. I like it. We're just going then. I'm gonna just do this and apply it all over the face. I will get under my bangs. Don't you worry. Ooh, maybe this will be good. This one, because like it looked so much darker on my hand, but I think once I blend it out, it's gonna be good. It's firmer than the sponge I've been using. Ooh, look at how far that product's going. Okay, this looks like a perfect match now in person, but these lights always make it look lighter on camera. I put way too much on the back of my hand for how much coverage I'm getting. I put the amount that I would probably use. I bet I could get away with 1 pump. Oh my goodness, it's going so far, guys, which might be the foundation too. First of all, this foundation looks really nice on the skin. This is the Confidence in a Foundation. It's oil-free for all skin types, long-wear, weightless, full coverage, all-day confidence, velvet matte finish. I cannot get over how much coverage I'm getting. I'm just gonna use my Shape Tape. Sorry, guys. So this is just in Porcelain Beige Tarte Shape Tape, if you guys know this well. This. Boop, 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 boop. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with the sponge. At least the sponge is still a first impression. Like, it does feel weird because it is a little firmer, but it's not uncomfortable by any means. I think the little fuzzies just make it magical. Okay, for brows today, we are going to try out this CoverGirl pencil. We tried out the pomade the other day and I loved the pomade from CoverGirl, so I'm excited to try out this pencil. I think it's in taupe. Is it in taupe? Soft blonde. Soft blonde. Okay. It's gonna be hard to see because I've got these bangs now. I like when pencils are not super soft. I like when they're a drier formula. This brow has a little bit of like a sparse area on it, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to complete my brow with just this because it is quite light. Let me see if I pack it on. And I feel like every other product is a new one and then we have a non-new one. So I'm just going to use my ColourPop Brow Gel because I feel like this gives me a little bit of a pigment. And the lightness of part of that brow is bugging me. And I feel like this will help fill it in. I love the tone on the rest of the brow. It's just because I have a bald spot on one of my brows. Let's not get my bangs in here. My bangs will grow so crazy fast and the rest of my hair is like, nope. My skin still feels a little tacky from that foundation, so this definitely is more, it reminds me of a NYX Cosmetics foundation where I feel like they just stay hydrating throughout the day. So I'll try and at least include something in the bottom in the description box about how it wears throughout the day. I think we're gonna go ahead and do face next. I got this little face palette in my BoxyCharm. I'm so excited to use it. It's from Cover FX. I have not used it on my face yet. But I'm excited. We're gonna start with the contour. I might just use it for contour, blush, and highlight all together today, because why not? Ooh, she pigmented. She is pigmented. Let's see. I'm excited. Ooh. Ooh, girl. It's like it's soft, but it's pigmented. Ooh, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. Let's get it around the jawline. Okay, I really like that a lot. I'm a fan so far. We're gonna go into the blush. Ooh, that might be a little too much, Shannon. I'm gonna mix a little finishing powder on top of that. So the finishing powder in here, this guy, gives you just a really nice glow without being like too highlighty. It just kind of melts it into your skin. Okay, and for highlighter, ooh, I'm a little scared. But I'm gonna try both. I'm just gonna mix all of them. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna put both these on first and then go in with the brightener. Oh yes, there we go. That's a good highlight though. 2 eyes. Okay, this palette is so pretty, you guys. I always try and tell myself I don't need a ColourPop palette, and I always end up buying a ColourPop palette. This I had to get because of the pressed glitters. I did just order all of the new pressed glitters. They just dropped 8 of them. I'm going to start with, I think, this yellowy guy because I live for a mustardy shade. I just love a mustardy shade. So it looks kind of mustardy in the pan, but it kind of translates pretty peachy. Take that same shade on the lower lash line. I think we're gonna go with this guy next. I'm just gonna put it out here. Going to dinner and ice cream with my best friend and her sister-in-law Ashley, who is the bridesmaid in her wedding. I'm excited. We're gonna use a little bit of this dark shade. I'm just tapping it out here, giving some extra depth, and then I will blend after I tap it. But that pretty much blended itself. Same shade again, just on the outer corner. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this guy and just really set the lid. I like, before using a Super Shock shadow, to set the lid with a powder anyway. Ooh, that was a lot, Shannon. Oh, and it's peachier than I thought it would be. Cute. But then we're gonna layer some glitters. So we're gonna start with the Super Shock shadow that's in the palette. They reformulated this as like a new formula for the Super Shock shadow that's supposed to keep it from drying out. So I'm just going to put this on here. Can you imagine? That's so cool. But I'm excited to see how long it lasts in an open palette like this, because that makes things so much easier. So much easier. I will use them so much more often. And now I'm gonna go in for the big guns. I am obsessed with this. I know anyone I've watched that's used this palette is obsessed with this too. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's got like different size glitters. And I'm just gonna tilt my head back a little bit because in my mind, apparently that helps. I don't know if it actually does. And just tap it on the lid. Look how pretty. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm trying not to go too overboard because I got it all over my face the other day because I put way too much on. And I could and probably should be using a glitter glue, but I didn't because I'm a rebel. Ooh, 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 I love a glitter. I love a glitter, and I love like a multi-dimensional, like different shapes of glitter. It just makes me so happy. New product, old product, new product, old product. I'm gonna do a wing, and I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black because it's my ride or die. Nothing compares. Now I'm going to put on some mascara and lashes. I think the lashes I'm going to use today are the Brianna lashes from AOA. I don't know if I've used these yet. I don't think I have, but I don't know. They look a lot like the Jackie lashes that I'm obsessed with, but they crisscross and maybe a tiny bit longer. So we'll see. So I'm going to put on some mascara and these lashes, and I'll be right back. Whew. All right, loves, so we are back. We have the lashes on. They are absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I don't think I did well enough at getting all of the glue off of the actual band before I put glue on and put them on because I'm kind of rushing a little bit today. But, ooh, They're beautiful. They're beautiful. This doesn't have a name on it, so I don't know. It just is part of the Modern Metals collection. Okay, we'll go with this. It's got a really interesting applicator. It's got like a little divot in it. Cute. Sweet. I wish I knew exactly what color this was because I really like it. It's kind of a burnt orangey red. That looks really nice on the lips too. My lips are hecka hella dry. Ooh, I'm feeling that color. Good, Shannon. Step outside that comfort zone. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to try out today is one of the new Revolution fixing sprays. I grabbed the caffeine one. Maybe I was just thinking I needed more caffeine. Sweet enough to send me all of these new sprays. If you guys want a whole video on all the sprays and like what they smell like, what their intentions are, just let me know. That would be really fun to do. But yeah, I'm going to spritz this all over my face. Let's see what it's... Ooh. What does this one have in it? Does it say with citrus extract? Vegan, cruelty-free? Doesn't really say. So I don't know if this one's made to make your makeup last longer, but we're gonna try it. Okay, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this. I really like how this turned out. I really am enjoying a different lip. I always want to do a nude. I always want to do a nude, and it's an e.l.f. one. Like, dude, I wish that it had a name on it. Hopefully I can find it and link it down below. I really hope it's still available. If not, I will definitely try and find some dupes for you. Wait, let me go through everything. I loved the palette. I'm super intrigued by this sponge. I cannot wait to use this sponge with the Revolution foundation. I do like this foundation. It looks really nice. It's a little thick, but I put too much on. I know I put too much on. And I feel like my product went so much further with this sponge that I definitely will try this again and see. I think the color is actually a really good match now that everything's on. I love the lipstick. I love the brow pencil. I love both of these. I'm so into this and I'm obsessed. ColourPop, you freaking A. Can ColourPop do any wrong? Like, I can't even think of a ColourPop product that I didn't love. The spray smells amazing, so that's points already. What else did I try? The lashes are beautiful, but I knew they were going to be. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. But that was like a win-win. Yes, queen, wins all around. Wow, okay. I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could. And as always, please leave me any sort of suggestions you have for content down below. I feel like it flows. Like I'll have so many ideas and I'll have not enough ideas and so many ideas and not enough ideas. And lately I've been kind of low on ideas. So any sort of creative ideas you guys have, let a girl know. I'll definitely do more declutters because that doesn't cost me anything to do. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. How do YouTubers do what they do? Hi, Luna. Hi. You're so cute. Now clean up your lip line. Get it together. I blend down my neck so it blends, but then like sometimes that bites me in the butt because I put it so far down. I just want my chunky chin to match the rest of my face. If Caitlin was here right now, she'd smack me. Here's like, that foundation looks good, guys. Yes, queen. Excuse me.